The Kapelle or Tell's Chapel is on the shore of Lake Lucerne, nestled at the base of the scenic Axenberg Valleys in Uri Canton of Switzerland. Hey, now we are heading to the chapel dedicated to William Tell. It was built because they believe this is the site where he jumped off when he was escaping the Duke, when they were gonna take him to prison or some kind of punishment. The Catholic chapel marks the site where, according to the popular legend, William Tell, during a storm, leaped from the boat of his captors and escaped, allowing him to assassinate the tyrant Kessler and initiate the rebellion that led to the foundation of the old Swiss Confederacy. To know more about the Swiss folk hero William Tell and his story, check out the description below. His tale was first mentioned in 1470 in the White Book of Sarnen. It's about a 10-minute walk down to the chapel. We're almost there, but a lot of stairs. As for the chapel, local myth suggests that the chapel has existed on its site since the 14th century, around 1388. In 1503, a chapel is mentioned as St. Huslin, while the current chapel was built in 1879 and restored in 1991. Within its interior walls are artworks decorated with 4 frescoes by Ernest Stuckelberg, created around 1880 to 82. Every year, the Uri state paid pilgrimage by ship to the Kapelle that takes place on the Friday after the Feast of the Ascension of Jesus. Hey guys, till next time, bye! So guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to comment.
Hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell, come on guys, hit the bell!
For notifications.
And don't forget to share!
And like!